In this video, I'm going to show you how to change an image into a video on Grok AI. The first thing you want to do is you want to open Grok AI like you normally would, make sure you are logged into your account, go to the left menu and select over here where it says Imagine. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that video is selected. Then from here, you guys are able to select on the resolution, whether that is 480 or 720. You guys could also select on the duration of the video as well, along with the aspect ratio. But anyways, what you want to do from here is you want to drag and drop the image that you want to make into a video. So let's say we wanted to turn this image into a video. So here's our screenshot. You guys can go ahead and take a look at it. Then you guys can type in a custom prompt as well. So you can type in exactly what you want and stuff like that. Then you want to press on enter just like so. And now it is going to begin generating your video. All right, and as you're able to tell, it is now going to turn that image into a video. So here is how things do look like, and I am honestly astonished. This is a pretty cool video if you do ask me. But from here, you're able to go ahead and install it right over here. You guys could also redo the video if you want, and you can even share the link as well. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.